ball has a pretty good return bounce right there up in the air, and it bounces a couple more times. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Linenspa 6-inch spring mattress. I did purchase this mattress myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product and want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here. We have the queen size version. This is available in twin, twin XL, full, full XL, and queen. Now let's go ahead, let's look at the contents. Here are all the contents. As you can see, we have our mattress highly compressed in shrink wrap. Now let's go ahead and open it up. So here's the mattress unwrapped. Check it out. Everything looks great. We got a nice gray cover with blue stitch seam, and you can see the Linenspa logo and branding at the foot of the bed. Now you can see really quickly, I went ahead, I flipped the mattress over so you can see the bottom and what that looks like. Don't forget, this is a spring mattress. This is not a memory foam mattress. So this is durable yet soft mattress. The rating is firm. With that being said, this features heavy gauge tempered steel coils, giving you that nice spring support. This is an ideal mattress for bunk beds, day beds, trundle beds, RV mattresses, or maybe a mattress for your kids. The firm profile is going to be great for back or stomach sleepers. So this is a very versatile mattress. You can use it with a box spring if you want, or a slatted frame, platform bed, or a metal grid. This will work with any bed frame. So the frame that we have here is a Zinus slatted frame, and you can see it's supporting the mattress just fine with no issues. I also want to point out that when you take this mattress out of the packaging, they recommend waiting 48 to 72 hours for the mattress to properly decompress. In my experience, you're fine sleeping on it the first night. It's really not that big of a deal. With this being a firm mattress, we're going to go ahead, we're going to take our 10-pound weighted ball. I'm going to drop it, and you'll see how responsive and bouncy this mattress is. So check that out. The ball has a pretty good return bounce right there up in the air, and it bounces a couple more times. You're going to feel a lot more movement on a spring mattress like this than you would on a memory foam mattress. Inside this mattress, you'll find at the top, we have a nice foam layer giving us a cushioned surface. Then we have a felt pad offering smooth, even insulation before our bottom layer, which is our tempered spring coils, providing us with that firm and ample support. So overall, if you're looking for a 6-inch Innerspring mattress in a box, you definitely want to check out the Linenspa mattress. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.